After adequate anesthesia and sterile preparation, the arthroscopic examination begins from the standard anterolateral and anteromedial portals. If a posterior root tear of the lateral meniscus is identified, the area is debrided, and the bone bed is prepared with a shaver to promote a bleeding surface for healing. The camera is redirected to the posterolateral compartment via the anteromedial portal to visualize the lateral capsule. A spinal needle is used to locate the high posterolateral portal. A Wissinger rod confirms the anatomical location, followed by dilation and insertion of slotted cannulas. The Y-Knot Flex 1.8 mm drill bit is used, and the double-load Y-Knot Flex 1.8 mm all-suture anchor is inserted. The knee is adjusted to the figure of 4 position. Each suture limb is retrieved from the posterolateral portal to the anterolateral portal. The mini first pass is then used to pass each suture limb through the meniscal root tissue at the targeted location. An accessory anterolateral portal is created, and each sutured limb is transferred to this portal to prevent suture tangling. Each remaining suture limb is sequentially retrieved from the posterolateral portal to the anterolateral portal, passed through the meniscal root, and placed in the accessory anterolateral portal. Once all 4 sutures have been passed through the meniscal root, each pair is retrieved together and sequentially tied from the anteromedial portal to securely reattach the meniscal root to its footprint. The suture ends are then trimmed, completing the repair. This is the final construct after lateral meniscal root repair. Thank you for watching.